my grandfather on my pop side, first Samoan man in LA to wherever stabbed is the church land. For all the people to go home and come and worship at. And it didn't matter what you was, it was all love. He was a high chief in the village where he came from. Or from Manua's where my granddaddy said sail from. Off to Hawaii, then the base at Elton, LA. And wasn't no better place for me but up in Carson City. See, the rock is always home. I'm the one who really knows. I'm the one who knows. I'm the one who really knows. Yeah. Now everybody wanna go to heaven, but nobody wanna die to be present with the man that's absent from the land. Many wanna live clean, but don't wanna get dirty. Want to find a thing more than a friend. You found a brother within. See, I say it how it is. I know them hard heads feel it. Ain't no in between. You are the man or you heat it. Be careful what you ask for, dog. You might receive it. That just means I never give one a reason. With that said, and everything's to a head, we gotta make sure that this exists past death. Yeah. I'm the one who really knows. I'm the one who knows. I'm the one who really knows. Yeah. This song dedicated to wifey boo, you know, and my kids, cause you know they never get to see me perform or anything like that. Here we go. Yeah. See, we been through it all, found ways to resolve when we weren't seeing nines. When were those not concerned with mine? I can't lie, every time it hurt inside, the only thing that got me through was be on the moon. I tried to resume, but it took time to bloom. Can't look behind, see forward's where I'm trying to move. Please understand me, I'm all about my family. Maybe down for a minute, but ain't looking for no hammies. Gotta get my mind right, like I keep my rhymes tight. How I rip this mic like, yeah, there I go again, dog, I'm tripping. Dog, it was easiness. All I had to do was pay attention and just listen. We've been through it all, found ways to resolve our problems at times. It wasn't easy, but I'm willing to learn how to make this thing right. Give you what you deserve. Always be mine. These will be my last words before they my last words. To my wife and kids, give my life for y'all to live. To my baby boys, protect your mom and sisters. Keep them out of harm's way. Show them real misses. To my baby girls, keep an eye for your brothers. Keep it all together, do whatever for your mother. She's the one. When it's all said and done, she stay posted at the end with her arms wide open. Couldn't been given the better half to deal with my bitter past. See, I was on the path of floating up the river fast. She was my life raft. I was like a porcupine. I couldn't understand the love behind a tight grasp, but that was my bad. I was selfish, you know. I know you find it in your heart, as beautiful as you are. Heaven must be missing an angel, and I ain't even worthy nor deserving, but I thank God that he heard me. We've been through it all, found ways to resolve our problems at times. It wasn't easy, but I'm willing to learn how to make this thing right. Give you what you deserve, for you will always be mine. Love you, baby. Come on now. Let's party this one, y'all. Yeah. As time goes by. Check it out. Now. I was schooled privately, but was most likely to be the only brother like me. I couldn't understand then till I hit junior high. Fools off in the bathroom getting high. Started missing classes, then I got my ass kicked. When my progress report came in, was a slap in the face. When I caught my first case, tried to give me the boot out the whole LAU school district. Mines were nothing to fool with. Got me back in, but I kept on sliding. Wasn't getting punked, so I had to start riding. Hard to put time in the school when you surviving. Wasn't with the wrong crowd, I just picked the long route. Had to learn the hard way. I can never put the blame on anybody, them decisions that I made. But at the end of the day, my whole fan paid. Creeps alone, gotta put my people on. Time's better than ever. Do the hell out of you, don't ever let another tell you other. Heard it from your brothers. Creeps alone, gotta put my people on. Time's better than ever. Do the hell out of you, don't ever let another tell you other. Sometimes you gotta lose yourself to be found. But if you ain't used to help, it's all down. Heal from here and only time can heal. And it's so profound how the time was still. That's why I know now ain't no time to kill. And when I go down, I'll be on top of the hill. So bury me a king, let the bells ring. Nobody more minds, everybody sing bottoms up till it all comes up. Celebrate life, put your glasses up. No need for sadness, put on some gladness. My life story, blaze pounds for me. Got a bang, sweet harmony from Smokey. And if I should die tonight by Marvin, always spoke to me. But it'll pass, nothing lasts. I got one more for y'all, I got one more for y'all. Yeah, this a new one right here. You think that you want me, girl, but you don't know me, girl. Think that you want me, girl, you don't know. You think that you want me, girl, but you don't know me, girl. Think that you want me, girl, you don't know. Check it out. Baby look good, she alright. Make a brother wanna change his life. Nah, not tonight, maybe not ever. I'm already knowing that y'all are too good for me. I don't need the hood with me, but I keep the hood in me. Never been a batch or remotely even close to that. In the garage, that's where I'm mostly at. In the lab, collab with no rats. Unlike 99.99, what if I couldn't ever find mine like mine? To tell you what you wanna hear, I tell you what you need to hear. Tell me after two what you think sincere. I ain't no good for you, girl, I'm too hood for you. I keep it triple low, why you think you feel me though? I can promise everything on the map, but just like a fiend. You think that you want me, girl, but you don't know me, girl. Think that you want me, girl, you don't know. You think that you want me, girl, but you don't know me, girl. Think that you want me, girl, you don't know. Look at that. Main thing that makes them wanna love you. Same thing bites back to come and haunt you. I dread the day my daughter come home with don't bother, I'm the wrong father. I'm the Sarge, and I'm in charge, but I wouldn't slaughter anybody coming close acting like me, yapping like me. He liable to get a fat slap to his teeth though. I'ma keep it brief, what you get is all me. Nights with no sleeping, my dad on the streets, but besides all that, all you gotta know is, yeah, I'm a dog and I always know where home's at. Not a canine, don't stray like them felines, so organic, only makes more panic. I'ma hit the flow, I'ma let them have it. If they can't stand it, go ahead and take a sip. You want me, girl, but you don't know me, girl. Think that you want me, girl, you don't know. You think that you want me, girl, but you don't know me, girl. Think that you want me, girl, you don't know. You think that you want me, girl, but you don't know me, girl. Think that you want me, girl, you